Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you how I made this banana bread. And guys, this turned out so yummy. It's delicious. If you're a banana lover, you will love this banana bread recipe. Let's see how it's light and fluffy inside, guys. This turned out so delicious, and I hope you give this a try. Let's get started. I will use 2 bananas for this recipe. As you can see, the bananas are very ripe, so this is the kind of banana that you're looking for. I'll peel it and add it to my mixing bowl. I'll then use my potato masher to mash the bananas. If you don't have it, you can use a fork and it works as well. Mash it until it's almost smooth, just like so. When done, add in oil, eggs, sugar, milk, banana flavor, vanilla essence, mix all these ingredients together. So you're gonna mix it together until it's well combined. Just like so. When done, add in the sieved flour. Make sure you sieve your flour as demonstrated in the video. Add in baking powder, baking soda, and salt to balance the sweetness. Mix all together until well combined. So this is the consistency you're looking for. It should be thick like this. Set it aside and grease your baking and grease your loaf pan. So you're gonna grease it with some butter or oil and sprinkle a little bit of flour in it. Tap it to take out any excess flour, and this is what you're looking for, because you do not want the bread to stick to the pan when done baking. Now transfer your butter on it, tap it to take out any excess bubbles, and bake it. And hola guys, this is it. It turned out so yummy and it's delicious. I hope you give this a try and just watch how it easily came out from the loaf pan. So guys, this is it. It's simple, it's easy. I hope you try this recipe. And guys, this is beautiful. It's soft, it's fluffy, it's just mention it, guys. And especially if you're a banana lover, I hope you give this a try and I hope you give this a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.